Sairam students, welcome back. Today in general knowledge session, we will start 31st lesson customs and activities. Shown here are customs and activities associated with different countries. Read the clues and name the countries. In help box, France, London, Mexico, Egypt, United States, Brazil, India, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Australia. These countries' names are given. Let's start question answers. First, in this country, many people wear a poncho over their shoulders and a white rimmed hat that is called a sombrero. Answer: Mexico. Mexican national clothing is very bright and beautiful. Actually, there are many different designs of traditional costume. Some of them are used for celebrations, holidays, ceremonies, and festivals. The main characteristics of Mexican national attire are sun protection. That's why sombrero has such a wide brim, and the clothing itself is made of natural materials. Brightness: the fabric for garment is mostly colorful and heavily embroidered, and moderate modesty. Second, this country is famous for rodeos where cowboys try to ride wild horses for as long as they can without being thrown off. Answer: America. Rodeo sport involving a series of riding and roping contests derived from the working skills of the American cowboy as developed during the second half of the 19th century to support the open range cattle industry in North America. Third, here coffee growing is an important industry. Answer: Brazil. In Brazil, where almost a third of the world's coffee is produced, over 5 million people are employed in the cultivation and harvesting of over 3 billion coffee plants. Since the 1840s, Brazil has been the largest player in the international coffee trade. Today, the country produces 40 to 60 million bags annually and is also known for being the world's largest exporter of instant coffee, a position the country has held for the last 150 years. Brazil has an estimated 300,000 coffee plantations spread across 13 of its states. Fourth, the flamenco, which is dance to the music of a guitar, is a popular dance here. Answer: Spain. Flamenco is a difficult form of art which transmits passion in each of its three components: song, dance, and music. It is also a living art which represents a way of perceiving and interpreting life. Because of this, it needs to be continually updated in Spain. On November 16, 2010, UNESCO declared flamenco one of the masterpieces of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Fifth, windmills and tulips are famous here. Answer: the Netherlands. Wooden windmills help to drain water from the land for over 600 years. The Dutch plan to have 10% of the country's energy needs supplied by renewable energy, including wind turbines, by 2020. Keukenhof, also known as the Garden of Europe, is one of the world's largest flower gardens situated in the town of Lisse in the Netherlands. According to the official website, Keukenhof Park covers an area of 32 hectares and approximately 7 million flower bulbs are planted in the garden annually. Sixth, grape growing is widespread here and this country's wines are very famous. Answer: France. Cabernet Sauvignon is one of the most popular and famous red wine grape varieties in the world, while the historic home of Cabernet Sauvignon is the Bordeaux wine region of France. 7. The soldiers guarding this country's queen are famous. Answer: London. The Queen's Guard and Queen's Life Guard are the names given to contingents of infantry and cavalry soldiers charged with guarding the official royal residences in the United Kingdom. 8. The Elfenhorn is an instrument used here? Answer: Switzerland. Alphorn, German, Alpenhorn, long horn played by alpine herdsmen and villagers, sounded for intercommunication and at daily ceremonies and seasonal festivals. It is carved or bored in wood and overwound with beech bark. Some instruments are straight, reaching 12 feet means 4 meters in length. 9. This country has many sheep, making it the world's largest exporter of wool. Answer: Australia. Australia is the highest wool producing country in the world. It is responsible for the production of 25% of the world's wool. The highest production in Australia is brought in by two states, New South Wales and Victoria. Australia's high wool production is related to the high number of sheep bred. 10. The mafia and pizza are words associated with this country. Answer: Italy. Did you know, students, geophagy, the eating of dirt, clay, and other non nutritive substances, is an ancient practice? In Africa, clay tablets are sold in markets to help ease hunger and to soothe the irritation due to intestinal parasites. Students, were completed 31st lesson. Now we will start next lesson. 32nd lesson, plant quiz. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First, what are the unique shaped cactuses growing in Arizona, California, and Mexico called? Options: A. Neem, B. Spiny, C. Saguaro. Answer: C. Saguaro. These natives of the Sonoran Desert of Mexico, California, and Arizona can reach heights up to 50 feet with a girth of 10 feet. A saguaro of that size, when well hydrated, weighs about 12,000 pounds. Saguaros can live for 200 years, anchored deeply into rocky soils where they can access water far below the soil surface. Second, what are bamboo stems called? Options: A. Combs, B. Brush, C. Reeds. Answer: A. Combs. Similar to grass, bamboo is characterized by a jointed stem called a culm. Typically, the culms are hollow, but some species of bamboo have solid culms. Each culm segment begins and ends with a solid joint called a node. Nodes are characterized by a swelling encircling the ends of the culm segments. Third, in which mountains are the famous Edelweiss flowers seen? Options: A. Alps, B. Atlas, C. Mount Everest. Answer: A. Alps. Edelweiss grows in limestone soil on mountain meadows. At altitudes between 1,800 and 3,000 meters, it blossoms from July to September. This symbol of the Alps can easily be found on thin heights in and around Zermatt. Edelweiss, which grows high in the Alps and is regarded in Switzerland as a national symbol. Fourth, where can you find plants such as sedges, rushes, and reeds? Options: A. Marshes, B. Forests, C. Plains. Answer: A. Marshes. Typically, they have long, narrow leaves with parallel veins and flower parts in groups of three. Those that grow to the size of a tree do not form wood or bark that expand through soft silt or form a mat in watery places. The native flowering species have been found in wetland turfs. Fifth, which mushroom is most commonly used in international dishes? Options: A. Chanterelle, B. Epiphyte, C. Button mushroom. Answer: C. Button mushroom. Agaricus bisporus is an edible basidiomycete mushroom native to grasslands in Europe and North America. Bisporus is cultivated in more than 70 countries and is one of the most commonly and widely consumed mushrooms in the world. Sixth, which trees have needle-like leaves? Options: A. Conifers, B. People, C. Fir. Answer: A. Conifers. Conifers or cone-bearing trees evolved to have needles that retain more water and seeds that could hang out until there was enough moisture to take root. It may not seem like it, but needles are leaves. Needles have a thick, waxy coating that retains more water than a regular leaf. 7. Which is the biggest of all pines? Options: A. Sugar pine, B. Sugar fir, C. Sugar cane. Answer: A. Sugar pine. Native to North America, sugar pine, scientific name Pinus lambertiana, remain the tallest of all pine tree species, reaching a height of 200 feet or more. Known as the king of pines, this majestic evergreen can survive for up to 500 years. Sugar pines are perennials that belong to the Pinaceae family. Eighth, which sea creature is also called southern sea wasps of Jimble? Options: A. Piranha, B. Lionfish, C. Jellyfish. Answer: C. Jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri, commonly known as the sea wasp, is a species of extremely venomous box jellyfish found in coastal waters from northern Australia and New Guinea to Malaysia, the Philippines, and Vietnam. Did you know, students, the lady sleeper orchid grows only in one secret place in Yorkshire, in the north of England? Students, we have completed 30-second lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. You have to identify the name of the dance with the help of given clues. First clue is tribal dance of India. Second clue is ritual dance performed in Mizoram. Third clue is the dance involves a gentle jump over bamboo sticks placed horizontally in parallel spacing over the vertically placed bamboo sticks to form interface. Yes, what is the name of the dance? Yes, it is Chero dance. Students, we have completed all the lessons of general knowledge. Complete your book and submit your project in Google Classroom. Thank you. Goodbye.